was Fun World. Hello, my little friends. Let's learn body parts together. Face. Face. This is face. This is face. Eyes. Eyes. These are eyes. These are eyes. Nose. Nose. This is nose. This is nose. Mouth. Mouth. This is mouth. This is mouth. Lips. Lips. These are lips. These are lips. Teeth. Teeth. These are teeth. These are teeth. Tongue. Tongue. This is tongue. This is tongue. Chin. Chin. This is chin. This is chin. Head. Head. This is head. This is head. Eyebrow. Eyebrow. This is eyebrow. This is eyebrow. Ear. Ear. This is ear. This is ear. Neck. Neck. This is neck. This is neck. Hair. Hair. These are hair. These are hair. Arm. Arm. This is arm. This is arm. Elbow. Elbow. This is elbow. This is elbow. Hand. Hand. This is hand. This is hand. Finger. Finger. This is finger. This is finger. Nail. Nail. This is nail. This is nail. Leg. Legs. These are legs. These are legs. Knee. Knee. This is knee. This is knee. Foot. Foot. This is foot. This is foot. Toe. Toe. This is toe. This is toe. Now let's say them again. Hair, head, eyebrow, eyes, ear, nose, mouth, cheek, neck, shoulder, hand, finger, stomach, thigh, knee, leg, foot, toe. Good job, kids. Thanks for watching. Bye, bye. Like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos.